A very warm welcome to Must Know Topics. In this particular series, I'll be taking down various lecturate and GD topics which will be helpful in preparing for various government competitive examinations, including Services Selection Board interviews. The topic that I'll be taking would be water management, and this would be the 13th lecturate of the series. I'll be covering this particular topic in 5 subdivisions. The first one would be introduction part, followed by why is it required, recent cases, what can be done, and finally the conclusion part. Well, coming to the introduction part, around 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water, but we must know the fact that drinking water constitutes very less percentage. We receive drinking water from rivers, then from groundwater and from rain, and since there is a shortage of water, it is only because of lack of management of it. Now if you consider why is it required, now basically most of the states in India depend on water from rivers, whether if it is for farming purpose or if it is for domestic purpose. And now if we see that the rivers are getting polluted day by day, it is only because of us. Now if you consider a river like Ganga, it basically fulfills the need of around 11 states, and that covers around 40% of the total population of India. Thus it is very much important that we manage the water properly. The one another reason is that there is a lack of water in ground levels due to the lack of rain, and there is no conservation of water or rainwater harvesting facility available. Moreover, there have been cases like droughts, specifically in Mumbai in the last few years. So that is why it is required. Moreover, there has been industrial reasons. Now basically there have been many industries like PepsiCo and Coca-Cola. Now these industries utilize a large amount of drinking water for making Coca-Colas and Pepsi, and this leads to the increase of cost for purchasing a normal water. While talking about the recent cases, in the recent past, on 7 May 2020, that is National Green Tribunal (NGT) directed the Delhi Jal Board to stop illegal extraction of groundwater for commercial purposes. Now this is the recent news of 7 May 2020. Moreover, if we take a look back, the last year there was a huge shortage of water in Tamil Nadu, and most of the water requirements were fulfilled by the neighboring states, and moreover around 1000 million cubic feet of water were being transported in trains to fulfill the needs of the population. There have been major suicidal cases, that is farmer suicide case, because of crop failures in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, and that is because of lack of water supply. Now these are some of the recent cases which states that we need to manage the water properly. Now what can be done? We can have a specific ministry that only looks after water conservation, and yes, we have so, that is Jal Shakti Ministry. Now basically there has been a Ganga river conservation program as well. Now around 20,000 crores have been invested in order to clean the river Ganga, because that earlier Ganga river used to breed to so many diseases, specifically like severe diarrhea, then cholera and many other skin diseases. Moreover, rainwater harvesting can be promoted. Now basically in every house we can have rooftop harvesting. That will be very much useful. Moreover, we can stop unwanted use of water in daily life, and that can be done by various methods, like we can turn off the tap when it is not being used, and we can use the bucket to take bath instead of taking shower. So these are some of the ways that can be applied in the daily life. Now basically the government can also fix timing for release of water, so that the water is not being misused. Now basically if you consider Delhi, recently water has been made free in Delhi by the Delhi government, Now, the Delhi government also needs to understand the fact that there have been people who used very less amount of water for their daily purposes. Now, because of this, since they have got some freedom, I think around 20,000 liters of water every month. Since they have got this much of freedom, they they might misuse the same. So the government should also come up with a policy for strict laws in order to govern the same. They should come up with strict laws so that they can govern the water conservation. Moreover, we can create awareness, water conservation awareness, and this can be done with the help of NCC cadets and NSS cadets. Moreover, NGOs can take part in it. We can also resolve the interstate water disputes in order to fulfill the water needs. Now, basically, we need to promote water management. Now, that is the complete motto of Jal Shakti Ministry, water conservation. Now, basically, in Mann Ki Baat, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji mentioned about hashtag Jan Shakti for Jal Shakti. So that particularly meant that if any person who is saving water, they can make a video, or they can click a picture, and they can tweet using this using this tweet, that is hashtag Jan Shakti for Jal Shakti. And this actually motivates the youth, this actually motivates the people of India to come forward and take part in this campaign. Well, coming to the conclusion part, we have seen that we have a very less percentage of drinking water available. Thus, it is very much important that we manage the water resources carefully and use it only when it is required, because every drop counts. So I hope this topic would have been useful for your preparations. In case you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.